Hello, this is Tom from PandaCut. Today we are going to take a look at another product we have made that we use on a daily basis. We will first take a look at how Talki Talki works and its functions, and then we will dive into each page and explain more details. Talki Talki is an easy-to-use cloud phone system designed for business owners and entrepreneurs. We use this tool every day in our own business, and now we're making it available to anyone who wants a simple, secure, easy-to-use phone system without paying a fortune. To give you a quick idea of what a cloud or browser-based phone system can do and how it's different from a traditional landline, this type of system lets you route your business calls however you want. For example, you can greet callers with a custom message, then offer a menu like press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, and so on. You can also forward calls to your external mobile or home number, let clients leave voicemails, text back and forth, and even have voicemails transcribed using AI so you don't have to listen to them. You can also set a schedule for your system, so call routing changes automatically throughout the day. That means you don't have to worry about handling calls after hours or while you're on vacation. To visually explain how this system is different than your regular landline, for example, in regular landline, your customer calls your number and you pick up the phone and talk to your client. However, in a phone system like Talki Talki, you have the option to create a path for your client's call in such example. Your client calls your number. Instead of your phone ringing, you greet them with a recorded message such as, "Thank you for calling PandaCut." Next, the call is routed to a menu where you tell the user, press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, and etc. Then your client gets to choose an option. And then, for example, you can route it so that if client presses 1, it will connect directly to your external phone number, for instance, your mobile number. This allows you to be more organized, professional, and customize the way you handle the calls that come to your phone line. So let's take a look at Talki Talki's interface and its features. After you have finished your sign up, usually when you log in on the desktop, you will see this dashboard which gives you a briefing on your text messages, voicemail, your soft phone, and your dial plans. If you click on any of these, it would take you to that page. There's also a notification icon in the top right corner that opens your notification panel. When you click on a notification, you can instantly choose to call or text that number back. It's designed to make interacting with your clients faster with fewer clicks. Efficiency is something we always prioritize when building our tools. On the top right, there is also your profile icon, in which if you click, it would show you all the pages you can access, in which we will get into all of them. Back to the dashboard now. On the desktop version of the app, if you have instructed the dial plan to route the call to your soft phone, incoming calls will appear right here on your soft phone, along with a small icon in the top bar. You can also start calls directly from your browser by pasting a number, typing it in, or using the dial pad. Please make sure you have allowed your browser to use your microphone and push notifications. Also, please note that this is a web application, which means your computer may not allow push notifications unless the app is running and open and active. This means if you minimize this app, you may not notice a call coming in, both on your iOS and Android phone and your desktop or laptop. So we recommend forwarding the call to your mobile phone if you often step away from this app, so that you receive your notifications on your phone. We will get into the details of this in the next videos on how to set up the dial plans and routing so you don't miss a call or notification. We may bring in native apps to iOS and Android in the future. However, for now, we are trying to provide this tool as affordable as possible, so the cost doesn't limit you to have a professional business phone line.